People are dead and you are not bothered. And okay, tell me, why is it that these fires are not burning Yoruba people's properties in Lagos? Just answer me. Why is it that we are not hearing that Yoruba people's multi-million naira buildings and their businesses are burning in Lagos every 2 weeks, every 1 month? Why is it only Igbo people's shops? And not even just that, even the demolition itself, it is always Igbo people's houses that they're demolishing. What they will do is they will just go and demolish a few Yoruba ones, maybe 1 or 2 or 3. But the majority of all the houses that they demolish in estates belong to Igbo people. Now, this lady, I don't want to play this video, it's too long. She was also saying that the fire service is charging the people that owns those shops that burnt 30 million naira for their service. Can you imagine? This is a service that is supposed to be provided by the government. And remember, these people are taxing Nigerians from January.